Okay, I have got a Samsung front load washer and dryer. Both of these are in like new condition. I've got a load going through the washer right now. It's in the, I just did a quick wash. I've actually run two separate loads through it, but I do the videos. I do a video on a quick wash if I can to show that everything works good so that you know when you buy from me, take it home, plug it in, everything's going to work like it's supposed to. So this washer, kind of hard to see, but except for my reflection, it's got the clothes going in there. It's some jeans and towels, and it's doing an excellent job. I've been through this one inside and out. It's clean inside and out. Like I said, it's in like new condition. Same thing with the dryer, inside and out, very clean. 28-point inspection on the washer, 22-point inspection on the dryer. Everything works perfectly. I'm going to let you listen to the spin cycle on this, which is, in my opinion, the most important thing, so you can hear it works good, make sure everything is level and balanced, and you'll get to see that and hear that here in just a minute. And then we'll move those clothes over to the dryer, and then on the dryer you'll get to hear as well that everything is smooth and works good. So, but real quick, I'm going to show you that it is heating like it's supposed to. There's nothing in it right now, and I'll show you full load here in a sec. But first I just want to show you that it is heating. So I got my temperature gun here. Whatever that little red dot shines on, it's going to give you the temperature. So let's make sure we're on. Hold on just a sec. Let's go more dry, high, hit start, and we can see it full blast. And see, it adjusts the time, and then when you have clothes in there, it can auto sense how long it's going to take to dry based on how wet those clothes are. And this washer here, when it spins super fast, and it gets a ton of water out of those clothes, so they actually come out pretty light, which makes it even faster for them to dry. So let's pop this open. Got the light on, and I'm going to shoot this right into the heating element tube so you can see. Nice and hot. Plenty of heat coming out of there. And as that heats up, this tube can get all the way up to 300 degrees. And then the inside of your dryer will get anywhere from 100 to 195 once it is all the way warmed up. So we're on more dry, high, normal on sensor dry. So now we'll do the time dry. And the washer is now draining out the water. It's got this cool little thing here on the bottom. You pop that open, and if you were gonna move this around, you can actually pull this down, pull this out, and it'll get all the water out, which I will do before someone comes and picks it up. It'll make sure there's no extra weight, no extra water weight being held in the bottom. And then here's, you unscrew that ever so often, I think every 2 months it says on there. And if there's anything caught in there, anything that's not supposed to go through the water system, this is like a filter and it lets it out here, which is pretty cool. You maintain the pump that way and make sure that it's working good. So let's show you real quick. Now on time dry, we'll kick that in there. Excellent, it's still heating up, so let's see if I can get that to focus. Perfect, so now you know that the dryer heats like it's supposed to. And the washer is working, and we'll come back for that final spin cycle. I don't want these videos to be too long, so give me just a minute. Okay, and here we go. It is speeding up on that final spin. You can see it here, but it's moving pretty fast, and it actually gets a lot faster here in just a sec. It's a progressive thing as it gets going, like I said, that way it stays balanced. But you can see even at that speed, nice and smooth. It's not off balance or making any weird noises or anything like that. I'll pause it for just a sec while it gets up to full speed. Actually, here it goes. while it's getting up to speed, I want to show you one thing. On the back, you can hear kind of a little noise. This is actually a vent. So there's a little bit of water coming out of the clothes and hitting the tub coming out of this vent. That's where that noise is coming from. And the reason that's there, it goes directly into the tub. It releases pressure that would otherwise build up, which helps with it enables it to spin faster, and it helps with the vibration. This vibration reduction technology, that's what it is, essentially, is that vent. It allows the pressure to escape so it can spin faster. And it is spinning extremely fast now. And it's still speeding up. So, like I said, when those come out, they come out really light, which makes for quick drying time. Okay, this is as fast as it goes. It is spinning extremely fast. There's virtually no vibration. It's very quiet. So if you were across the room, you probably wouldn't even realize it was on the spin cycle. But that's its top speed right there. Okay, and it is finished up. Just unlocked. And I just want to show you real quick how light these clothes are. They are extremely light. There's absolute, like, super heavy towel here. Very light. No excess water in these whatsoever. So, I mean, these are going to dry in probably 30 minutes or less in the dryer. So, really cool. Alright, I'll get those switched over real quick. Alright, so now we are cleaned out in here, and as you can see, excellent shape. Get that closed up. Just that's off. Okay, now we're on to the dryer. Got those clothes piled in there. Closed up. We'll just do normal. I like to do more dry. Just say go. You see that in there. Kind of the same thing with this one. I just wanted you to be able to hear that it sounds great. No weird noises or anything like that, and that it's nice and stable. No vibration in it whatsoever. I already showed you that it's heating like it's supposed to, so that's it for these guys. Now you know that they both work perfectly as described. If you have any questions on it at all, please reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. It's a little bit longer, but a little bit more to cover on a set like this. There are tons of options, if I didn't show that already. Tons of options on these guys. So your delicates, your big loads, small loads, I mean quick loads, it can do it all. So there again, I appreciate you watching the video. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.